Have you ever imagined a world where you turn on a tap and nothing comes out? A world where clean water is more valuable than gold. This is not a scene from a science fiction movie, it's our possible future, the source of all life. Water is disappearing faster than we think. In this video, we will explore the global water crisis, the countries that are closest to running out of water, and what the latest reports and experts are warning us about. So stay tuned because what you are about to learn may change the way you see every drop of water. The global water crisis, a silent emergency. Water covers over 70% of Earth's surface, but only 2.5% of it is fresh water. Out of that, less than 1% is available for human use. According to the United Nations (UN), by 2030, global demand for water will exceed supply by 40%. This means that billions of people could face severe water shortages. The main reasons behind this crisis include rapid population growth, climate change, industrial pollution, poor water management, deforestation, and overuse of groundwater. The UN also reports that around 2 billion people already live in areas under high water stress, and if nothing changes, half of the world's population could live in water scarce regions by 2050. Which countries will run out of water first? Let's look at the nations facing the highest risk of water scarcity according to reports from the World's Resources Institute WRI and the UNESCO Water Report. Number 1, India. India is one of the most water stressed countries in the world. Nearly 600 million Indians face high to extreme water stress. The NITI Ayog report 2023 warns that 21 major cities, including Delhi, Bangalore, and Hyderabad, could run out of groundwater soon. Rivers like the Ganga and Yamuna are heavily polluted, and over extraction of groundwater is making things worse. Number 2, Pakistan. Pakistan's institution says about the situation is alarming. According to the IMF, Pakistan ranks third among countries facing severe water shortages. The Indus River, Pakistan's main water source, is shrinking due to climate change and mismanagement. The Pakistan Council of Research and Water Resources (PCRWR) predicts that the country could face absolute water scarcity by 2050 if immediate actions are not taken. Number 3, Iran. Iran's lakes and rivers are drying up rapidly. The once beautiful lake Ormia, one of the largest saltwater lakes, has shrunk to less than 10% of its original size. Water mismanagement, overuse in agriculture, and reduced rainfall are pushing Iran toward a national crisis. Number 4, Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia has very limited to fresh water sources. Most of its water comes from desalination plants, which convert seawater into drinkable water. However, desalination is expensive and energy intensive. Reports from the World Bank show that Saudi Arabia's groundwater reserves are almost depleted, and the country relies heavily on imported food because of water scarcity. Number 5, South Africa. In 2018, Cape Town came close to day zero when the city's taps were expected to run dry. Although it was avoided through strict water saving measures, many parts of South Africa still face serious droughts. The National Water and Sanitation Master Plan warns that demand will soon exceed supply if urgent measures aren't implemented. Number 6, Egypt. The Nile water provides about 79% of Egypt's fresh water, but with the construction of the Grand Ethiopian Renaissance Dam (GRD) upstream, Egypt fears reduced water flow. The UN report 2022 highlights that Egypt could face water scarcity by 2030, affecting both agriculture and human life. Number 7, Mexico. In Mexico City, millions of residents receive water for only a few hours a week. Climate change, leaking infrastructure, and overuse have created a major crisis. Experts say that Mexico could face a water emergency in major urban areas by 2030. Number 8, Jordan. Jordan is one of the driest countries on earth. The World Bank classifies it as having absolute water scarcity, with less than 100 cubic meters of water per person per year. The country depends on desalination and import. The human impact. The water crisis is not just an environmental issue, it's also social and economic. Farmers are losing crops due to droughts. Industries are slowing down due to lack of clean water. Children in poor regions spend hours daily fetching water instead of going to school. The World Health Organization (WHO) says that every 2 minutes a child dies from a water related disease. This shows how critical access to clean water truly is. Solutions and hope. While the problem is serious, there are solutions. Rainwater harvesting. Collecting rainwater can reduce pressure on groundwater. Recycling wastewater. Countries like Singapore treat and reuse over 80% of their wastewater. Drip irrigation saves up to 50% more water in irrigation. Public awareness. Every person can help by reducing water waste. International cooperation, sharing rivers and managing them wisely can prevent water wars. Reports from the UN Water Conference 2023 show that sustainable policies and smart water technologies can reduce global water stress by 30% within the next decade, but only if action starts now. Water is life. Every drop counts, from the deserts of Saudi Arabia to the crowded streets of Delhi. The message is the same. Our water is running out, but hope is still alive. If we act today, every time you turn off a tap, fix a leak, or plant a tree, you become part of the solution. Remember, the future depends on what we do now, because once the last drop falls, there will be no second chance.